Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to quickly detect and block referral spam in Simple Analytics. This cleans up your data so you can focus on real traffic sources. So I'm on the Simple Analytics dashboard for one of my sites and I'm going to scroll down to the referral section. This is where we can see all of the sites that are driving traffic to my website. And so what does referral spam look like? Well, it'll be something like buy Viagra now, get more traffic, anything promotional sounding that is clearly not a legitimate domain. So now fortunately I don't have any of those, so I'm going to go ahead and pick on this one here. So if you click on the referral spam domain, you can then go up and you can see all of the visits coming from that site. And so to then remove it, let's scroll down to the bottom here and click on hide visits from this site. Before I do that, I'm just going to copy this URL because we'll need that in a second. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click add a filter. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on referrer hostname. You can see it'll say referrer hostname. We'll say is not because we do not want to include any of these. And I'll go ahead and paste that suspicious URL. Now I'll go ahead and click on next step and then click on update view. So what this is doing behind the scenes is it's just creating a new view, a default view for my website. And that will now filter out anything coming from that suspicious URL and you won't see it in the future. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see that filters are active on this dashboard. And so if you made a mistake in adding that filter, just go ahead and click on this. It'll load this up and we can just remove that filter and resave this. And so like I said, we now won't see any data from this URL in the future. If you have any other suspicious ones that you want to block, just go through the same process, adding a filter for each site that you don't want to see anymore. If you're concerned about more sophisticated bots, Simple Analytics actually offers advanced robot blocking in your account settings. This feature basically uses an extensive list of IPs and blocks any suspicious traffic. To enable this, just go to your account settings and scroll down to robot blocking or click that and just enable that. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now blocked any referral spam from getting onto your website and corrupting your real traffic data. If you have any questions about managing spam or bots in Simple Analytics, go ahead and drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about getting the most out of Simple Analytics. Thanks for watching.